If you like Dina, what about, do they have any other coffee blends? Oh yes, they do. They have the Great Blend. This is a donut shop blend. Oh yeah, we fancy over here. Straight up fancy. Now, says you're looking for amazing finds, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Check these out. I was like blown away when I seen this. I said, oh my goodness. I just stumbled across the cutest thing at Dollar Tree. Did you hear of the crust cutter? These, honey, Disney fans, look at this. Cars, honey, they have so many different ones. Check this. Crust cutters, who knew? Cars, Smurfs, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and this is pretty much how it's going to look, okay? They have the Minnie Mouse crust cutter. They also have Garfield, Looky Cookie, SpongeBob, Mickey Mouse, and then they also have the Princess crust cutter. Love this. Now, Dollar Tree just got these in, these snack and stackers. These 6 individual compartments. Comes in 3 different colors. White, green. You know, green is my thing, like a chicken wing. And they also have the beige. Love this. Honeys, let me tell you something. There's so many amazing finds at Dollar Tree today. You're gonna like this. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and hype the video up, okay? Let's go. First off, Dollar Tree has these silicone mini ice cube trays. Get into it. Is this giving Chick-fil-A ice? You get what I'm saying? These are $1.50. They are amazing. Now, they come in 2 different colors at my location. They have the gray, and then they also have, wait, hold on, child, 3. They have the gray, the green. Green is my thing, like a chicken wing. And then they also have the brown. Love these. So, Dollfaces, you said that you are looking for some storage bins that are cheaper than a container store. That's what you said. Listen, Dollar Tree is movie groovy. You just have to move your feet to the beat. Now, Dollar Tree has these storage bins right here. What I absolutely love about this is they have the snack tops. You get what I'm saying? They have different colors. They come, I believe, in 2 different colors. They have the brown and also the green. Really, really cute. Now, these are $1.50. Honey, way cheaper than a container store any day. Look at these, affordable, really fancy containers at Dollar Tree. So when I tell you Dollar Tree is definitely out here, honey, my name is Dina. I'm the Fabulous MC. Now, Dollar Tree has these baskets over here. These are $1.50. They have the water size over here, and then they have the more narrow size. They also have these baskets over here as well. If you guys are looking for storage boxes, they definitely have them. These are $1.50, and these, honey, are divine, right on time. Love these. Now, Dollar Tree also have these over here as well. Now, these are really, really cute. Love these. If you guys are looking for collapsible baskets, they definitely has these as well. Now, other hot items Dollar Tree has is these Libby. Serve it, okay? Dishwasher safe, freezer safe, microwave safe, and oven safe. Hello, these are $6. They are glass container, and when I say the glass is thicker than I don't know why, honey, it is thick. Now, they come in 2 different sizes. So they have this one right here, and then they also have the longer one, the longer version. These are really fancy, really cute. I'm just mesmerized by all the fancy. Did you guys see this? This is the unicorn light, voice controlled. Honey, the best part is play music and watch my lights twinkle to the beat. Try to tell me they ain't out here being fancy. Said you're looking for amazing finds, Dollar Tree definitely has them. So Dollar Tree has the gaming LED, honey, you heard what I said, LED headphones. How cute are these? $7. Now, if you guys are looking for 12-quart narrow clear bins, Dollar Tree definitely has them. Now, these make really, really cute storage bins. You can put like hand towels in here. You can also put like dish rags and stuff in here. You can also put papers in here, like folders and stuff in here. These are absolutely amazing. These are $4. So first off, this is an item that they definitely sell at Whole Foods, and they also sell at TJ Maxx. This is the ramen bowls with the chopsticks. Oh, you're looking for some Poppy Nicholas? Oh yes. Okay, so this is a coffee blend, all right? I feel like I am in a coffee house right now. This is Poppy Nicholas Coffee Breakfast Blend. They also have the Donut Blend. This is a light rose. They also have the Hawaiian Islands. This is a light rose. And then they also have the Black Velvet Ultra Dark Rose. These are $2. If you like Dina, what about, do they have any other coffee blends? Oh yes, they do. They have the Great Blend. This is a donut shop blend. Oh yeah, we fancy over here. Straight up fancy. Now, they also have this family owned. This is a Great Blend. Well, Arabic. Honey, well, I feel like I'm messing. Brazilian roast, okay? These are $2. Oh, yes. I tell you that Dollar Tree has some amazing items. Oh, my goodness. Let's get into the Valentine's Day theme, shall we? Let's go. Now, I absolutely love these. They are affordable, they are chic, they are fancy, they are divine. And it is these beautiful vases that Dollar Tree has that says love. They also have this one as well with the different hearts colored in. Love this. These are $1.50 containers. Dollar Tree definitely has them for Valentine's. Be mine. I know that's right. These are $1.50. And what about the decor tabletops? Yes, honey. Love you. I know that's right. Look at these gorgeous garden finds, okay? These are so beautiful. These pots over here, these are $1.50. I love the terracotta pots. I think that's what you would call them. They are really beautiful. Now, Dollar Tree also have these clay pots over here as well. This is a 2-piece for $1.50. Honey, where you gonna get that at? 2-piece. Hanging wire baskets they have. These are $1.50. Comes in 2 different colors. They have the white and also the black. If you guys are looking for some pot and mix, 8 quarts, okay? Pot and mix. This is Miracle Grow. Feeds up to 6 months. I know that's right. Now, they also have these pots over here as well. These little smaller pots. These are due. And if you need a garden fence, okay, Dollar Tree definitely has them, $1.50. I'm just giving all the fancy. Look at this, the solar stake lights, okay? Honey, aren't they cute? Now, 1 AAA battery it requires. They also have these solar stake lights as well. Oh, looky, Cookie. Really gorgeous. Really nice. And if you guys are looking for some more solar stakes, Dollar Tree definitely has them. These solar stakes are gorgeous. looky, Cookie with the different colors. Pink, blue, yellow. They also have these garden totes over here. We seen these last year, but honey, if you're looking for a garden tote, you better come on down here. Now, in the Dollar Tree streets, so many people have raved about this. I have not tried this yet, but this is the cuticle oil pens. These are $1.25. They have peach, and they also have lavender. And if you guys are looking for some amazing nail glue for your press-ons, I use this. This is so amazing. Love this. You're looking for some wipes for on the go, 40 wipes. These are $1.25. Cozy vanilla, peach, champagne, and then they also have the antibacterial hand wipes, 40 wipes as well. Now, two items that are amazing. Now, Dollar Tree have the 5-piece beauty brush set. This is $1.25. Honey, it has the powder brush, the liner brush, the lip brush, the sponge tip applicator, and also the lash and brow brush. How you doing? Now, they also have this, the 3-piece nail care set. This has the fingernail clipper, the toenail clipper, and also the trimmer. These are so amazing to have. I mean, still deal like Holyfield. You looking for the doopity dupes? Well, honey, look no further. Dollar Tree has the dupe of the Kiss nail clipper. This is $1.50. Kiss nail clipper, I believe, is like $7 to $8. Last time I checked. You better come on down here. They also have this color as well. Now, if you gorgeous folks are looking for a metallic nail pen, Dollar Tree definitely has it. They have the silver one. This is cute. Okay, gorgeous folks, I done forgot to do the outro. I was so excited inside of Dollar Tree. Let me know what was your favorite item that you seen. They have so many amazing finds, like the silicone ice cube trays. You looking for Chick-fil-A ice? Definitely beat the price. They also had those snack trays. Those were a hit. The LED gaming headphones, a must. Really, really amazing. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, hype the video up, and make sure you have your notification, the bell on, so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. With that being said, I love you gorgeous folks. Keep rocking out, believing in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Until next time, peace.